motion. Turn out is really important, as in all plies, but here we're in the center. Get the weight over the balls of the feet. Arms just going to relax down, shoulders back and down, head nice and tall. So we're going to take a deep breath in. As we breathe out, we're going to shoot the arms down, and we take them as wide as you possibly can out to the sides of the room, okay? Do not lift the shoulders. We go plie, 2, 3, 4. The arms then go in, forwards, palms are facing down. We drop, reach up, the palms are facing forwards. We go ripple, and the arms are just going to go through and down to the floor. It will make sense in a minute. We go drop to the floor, flat back. We push them straight back out in front of you, palms facing the floor. Press down, okay? From here, this is the place where you're going to need to use that core muscle. Your shoulders and your back muscles will help. So we go in, out. Get those arms pressing down, hands pressing forwards. We hold it there. As we come up, we soften, we come back down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. In, forwards, 2, 3, 4. Drop, reach, up. Relax the arms and out. We go out. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That was the easy part. So now comes the legs. We take a demi-plie. 1, 2. We keep going into a full plie. Don't sit into the full plie. Don't let the pelvis drop. We go down, down, down. Have you got a gap here between your calf muscle and your hamstring? Don't get there and keep going all the way down, okay? We want to see that clear. Demi-plie. We keep going to a full plie, just off the floor, heels pressing down. From here, we're going to bring the pivot on the balls of the feet, press the heels down, back into parallel, and we're going to go to a flat back. So from here we go in, press forwards into a flat back. Now don't sit back into those knees. Get the weight up and over the toes, okay? So from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4. In, forward, 2. Keep reaching forwards, forward, forward, flat back. From here we drop and we let the hands go past the body. Drop here. It's like a rebound action. Bring the arms in and reach up. Is the weight over the balls of the feet, not sitting back. So we've reached up. We're going to do a ripple down. Now this is relaxed, okay? We're not going to break the neckline here. We're not going to let it all reach back. We go up, high release, through the body, all the way back down, okay? But it's fast. So we've gone reach up. Hands should be in front of you, not behind you. We go 1, all the way down. From here, we're going to take another flat back. Again, is your weight over your toes, or are you sitting back in those heels? Are your knees softened, or have you got them locked? Watch those things. From there, we're going to pull back into a first position in a full plie. So from here, we go pull back. Woo, that's hard to do in slow motion. So from there, again, double check. Have you got that gap between your calf and your hamstring? Is your pelvis in neutral position? So we should be here. We're going to come up, 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 press the heels into the floor, reach the arms up and forward, out, out, out. Relax the hands,